We were in a rut. Our pictures and videos of Lockport and Mokina were just variations on the same theme, and everyone knew we could take pictures of cars. We did some interesting events, such as Illuminate Lockport and Stirk Fever, but we knew we could do more. So we loaded up the car and we headed out, heading towards Iowa until we reached Decorah, Iowa. Our first stop was the Seed Savers Exchange Lillian Goldman Visitor Center. Although we confined our footage to the Visitor Center area, the Heritage Farm encompasses 890 acres and has multiple walking trails for you to enjoy. As the name implies, this group's mission is to preserve endangered garden and food crop seeds for future generations. Inside the Visitor Center, they have seed packets for sale, as well as books and other items. We bought a couple seed packets, and we were on our way to downtown Decorah. The county courthouse in Decorah is huge and is quite the sight to see. The steps leading up to the building are quite steep, and the massive clock tower can be seen for blocks. But it's not the only interesting thing you will find in Decorah if you look around. The next morning it was off to the races. More specifically, the Pulpit to Pulpit 5K run and 1 mile walk. This charity event benefited the Decorah Community Free Clinic and the Decorah Public Library this year. Things started off slowly, but quickly picked up as runners made their way to the turnaround point. Most people were focused on their running as they came around the turn. We had some four-legged participants wanting to wander a little, and some people waved, of course. But there's always that one person in the crowd. After the race, there's an after-party celebration at Pulpit Rock Brewing Company. We didn't make it in time for the band, but we did get a free ice cream and make a donation for a shirt. We then headed out to one of the local parks to relax and take what we thought would be a short hike. Did the trip go as planned? Definitely not. We saw way too many of these along the way, but it won't stop us from doing it again in the future.